superiorly. We're gonna learn English quick.
Superlatives. Comparing the best of a bunch. So superlatives are saying, okay, this is a group of these things, and this one is the best one out of it. It's the grandest, it's the most fantastic. You can't beat it because it's the best. This lady here says, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. And this young chap replies, and Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. So what are we doing here? We're comparing Mount Everest, this mountain, with every other mountain in the world. And as we know, it is the tallest mountain in the world. In this case, we're comparing all of the planets in the solar system, and Jupiter is the biggest. So how do we form this? Well, we're not comparing A and B, we're just saying A is the most whatever. If it's a short adjective, so again, if it's one syllable like big, we add est. So big becomes biggest, small becomes smallest. If it's a long adjective, so 3 or more syllables like beautiful, then we add most beautiful. No longer est at the end, we just said most beautiful. Really important as well that we use the article the. Again, if it's 2 syllables in between short and long adjectives, then you can use both. So you could say he's the most hungry or he's the hungriest. It's generally accepted. Again, we have irregular superlative forms. So good and well, bad, far, little and many, as we saw before in comparatives, now becomes the best, the worst, the furthest, the least, or the most. Remember that the is important here. Okay, so to practice, you have here 2 images. Here you've got Jane, Jim and Bill in one family, and then you've got Einstein over here. See if you can pause the video and make sentences using the superlative form to talk about these 2 images. Okay, if you pause the video, let's have a look. I've written here, Jim is the tallest in the family. You see that? He's a little bit taller. So he's the tallest out of the 3. Or Bill, alternatively, is the smallest in the family. So there's 3 in the family. He is the smallest, you can see here. And for Einstein, he was the most intelligent scientist of his day. He was the best. And that is all for superlative.
Learning English superiorly. We're gonna learn English quick.